Hindi ka na, magde-deliver na tayo ng, syempre, barley. Hindi ka na. Pogi ng aking, kasama sa pagde-deliver. Hindi ka na. Let's go. Yan, dito ko sa labas guys. Kami pala. Nandun siya. Yan, para isang babaan na lang. Ayan, nagtapon na din siya ng basura. Magde-deliver kami ngayon ng barley. Yan, barley. Saan po kaya yun? Nagtapon na rin ng basura para isang babaan na. Dito lang naman yung dideliveran namin. Malapit lang. Suki.
Ay, vlogger pala, vlogger. Pakita ka niya sa...
Para sang labasan natin. Ay, bibili na rin kami ng gamot. Ng mama. Ng mamang may sakit, pero pogi. Char. Poging may sakit.
Yan, ako ito pa natin.
Oh. Ay, yun ang very good. I'm okay. Dito yun, di ba? Dito yun. Halika. Arte-arte ka pa dyan. Gusto mo pan lumalayan. Sore throat? Ano ba yan? Colds. Cups and colds. Sore throat yan, hindi ka makalunok eh.
3 gram.
Tapos ang ubo mo madikit.
Saham के लिए ना? Saham के लिए? Okay.
Ito kami nabili ng gamot kasi magaling mag ng gamot yung pharmacist. Ito lang ang reset. Next. Uy, come here. Hello. Say hi to my vlog.
Vlog.
Come here. Uy. What can you give him? Like what do you feel ba? You fell in love with me? Char.
1-1. Sore throat.
He had a sore throat. I think.
I feel like my it's like
Kaya mo yan. Daddy, kaya mo
Itchy?
yan.
no not itchy.
Cannot swallow, I mean.
Painy?
Yeah, a little bit.
A
When
bit
I'm
failing.
swallowing.
Painy.
But I know I have colds.
Cold.
Yeah,
Runny nose or body pain?
But body pain.
Body pain?
Actually,
How many minutes
it's
started?
usual.
Just 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Started with a fever or like
no,
cold?
No fever.
It doesn't have fever.
Sometimes I'm sneezing.
You know the new virus?
Common cold?
Yeah.
Just common cold.
Common colds and sore throat.
Can go for this one.
What is that?
Any like
Candy?
blocker nose? Okay. Have you taken any medicine for that?
I only take Panadol for body pain.
Body pain. You don't know. Body pain means fever. Like you feel temperature on the
No, actually, it's usual to him because his work is
Hard work.
hard.
Yeah.
I'm construction
work.
worker.
Yeah. Okay. Take this one, brother.
What is that? Candy?
Candy.
Candy?
Yes, candy. Take one
You don't
candy.
have like syrup or
Syrup doesn't work for throat. This is because of
because
the
sometimes it's
But
better
also
to have
for
syrup.
colds,
No?
huh?
Yeah, for this one throat itchy, tickling, hoarseness, sore throat. Cold.
Oh. Parang strepsils.
Better.
You know,
Same mark only.
strepsils.
Then you have to pay more for strepsils. Same thing.
How much is
Then
this?
headache, throat.
Yes, because of the colds.
Ano daw? Ano yung isa?
Do you have this one is the only flavor?
Yeah, I have the flavors orange, strawberry, ginger, honey, lemon,
Yung ginger
menthol.
honey. Ginger honey.
This one ginger honey lemon. Nice.
Yung ginger honey.
Ginger honey.
Yeah.
Ginger.
Lemon. honey lemon.
Ginger lemon.
Ginger lemon.
This one, brother, you can take 2 tablet morning, 2 tablet night, okay?
4.
Yeah, 4 per day, 2 morning, 2 after meal.
This one will not cause me sleepy.
Sleepy doesn't make you sleepy. Okay, total 28.
Dahil mot-mot natin tayo ay mag-date. Date ba ang tawag dun? Magde-dessert lang pala. Ayan, dito kami sa Dunkin' Donuts. Magde-dessert, tara. Ikaw? Alin ba masarap? Ice coffee yung sa akin, daddy, ha? Ice coffee. Ha? Oo. Bavarian. Bavarian. Alin ba? Eh, di ba may donut na kasama yung coffee ko? So what happened? Ewan ko sa'yo. Makikipag-date ka, hindi mo dalang wallet mo. Ayos ka. Style eh. Ang gwapo naman ng mga waiter dito. Thank you. Pwede bang kiss na lang ang tip? Oh. Copy tayo, guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
Mainit.
Mainit. Obviously. Anong pangalan ng kape?
Dunkin' Donut coffee.
Ay, what? Pasaway. Ano yun, daddy? Ano yun?
Tagalin pa na rin.
Filipino. Guys, kayo ba yung ganito din? Yung pag halimbawa kumakain kayo sa mga resto, mga ganyan, nag-uwi kayo ng tissue. Kayo rin ba?
A few moments later.